Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use animations in Roblox games. So, the first thing that you will have to do is pick the game that you would want to play. So, just go ahead and click, for example, Arsenal or something like this, where you could actually use animations. So, what you will do is you will launch the game and wait for it to load. So, yeah. Uh, And now that you're here, what you will have to do is make sure, by the way, that your avatar already has an animation. So just go to your animation section, and then what you will do is you will click uh, walk, idle, or whatsoever. So you will just have to basically choose whatever animation that you would want for walking specifically, or for running, or for falling if you want them different for each. So yeah, and once you already have your animation, you can just go ahead and uh test it on any game. So as you can see, my running animation is different as I've chosen as I've chosen a different animation for that, and not just the bubbly animation. So as you can see, my animation when it's idle, it's bubbly, but when it's running, it's basically just robot run. So yeah, that's how you use animations in Roblox games. And I really hope this video was helpful. And please have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. And again, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.